Hello friends, welcome to the ASPN classes. So this is the sixth video of the determinant chapter. Okay, today I am going to discuss minor and cofactor of the determinants. Okay, so let us start the minor factor first. Minor, it means minor of an element aij of a determinant is a determinant obtained by deleting the ith row and jth column, which aij is lies. Okay, so ith row and jth column have to delete, and you may also denote this minor of an aij is a capital letter mij. But to denote this is the result mij. M nothing but minor of an element aij. Okay, so minor fact, how to find out ith row and jth column? It means suppose I am going to take it 1 2 into 2 order. First I am going to take it here -1 2 4 3. This is the 2 into 2 order. Okay, so this is the element is a11 and this is a12 and this is a21 and a22. Okay, so what is the minor factor of an element 2? So you have to find out minor element of the 2. You have to find out here. So 2, it means this is the result. M12 is the answer. Okay, find out the minor of an element M12. It means first row second column you have to delete. What is the remaining element? No, that is the answer. First row second element you have to delete. What is the remaining here? 4. No? So 4 is the answer. Okay, similarly we also find out here M11 it means -1. So what is the -1 minor factor you have to find out? It means, so this minor factor you have to find out. It means first row first column you have to cancel, first row first column you have to cancel. What is remaining here? 3. So 3 is the minor element. Similarly you have to find out M21 also you have to check. It means what is the answer? Second row first column. Here only it will be understand here. Ith row and jth column you have to delete. Ith row is what here? 2 is this. So second row and first column you have to delete. What is remaining here? 2 is the answer. That is clear. So these are the elements. Okay, this is 2 into 2 order. It is simple. Suppose 3 into 3 order they are given. Okay, I am going to take it here 1 3 into 3 order. 5 9 8. Correct. So here they are given 3 into 3 order. So now you have to find out the what is the minor element of the 4. What is the minor element of the 4? 4 it means what is the address of that 4? Check out here. This is the second row and the third column. It means A23 is the 4. Small letter a, it means that is the element that is denoting here. A23 element is what? 4 is there. Find out the minor of the A23. It means M23. It means second row third column you have to delete. Second row third column you have to delete. It means what is remaining? You have to write down 1 2 5 9. The determinant is remaining. Now you have to find out this determinant value. So you have to find out the determinant value. It means what is the answer? Diagonal element multiplied 9 minus 5 into 2, it means 10. So 9 minus 10, it means -1. So this is your M23 element. It means minor of an element 23. It means what is the answer? -1. That is clear. Similarly, we also find out the 8 minor element. 8 minor element you have to find out. It means this is the A33. Third row third column you have to delete. Then what is the answer? 1 2 minus 1 0. So now you have to go and simplify. 1 into 0 is 0, minus sign. So 2 into 1 is 2, minus minus plus. So 2 is the answer. So similarly we also find out all the minor elements. Minor elements, it means I think all of you understand. Ith row and jth column you have to write, delete the which that aij is lies. Notice clear? Okay, so let us move to the cofactors. Okay, so next one is the cofactor of an element aij. Okay, cofactor of an element aij, they are denoted by capital letter aij. So capital letter aij, it means this is the cofactor, or sometime also they are denoting capital letter cij also they are denoting. Okay, okay, so I am going to denote here only aij, capital letter. Small letter aij, it means that is the element of the determinant. Capital letter aij, it means that is the cofactor of the element. Okay, so now here observe aij, how to find out? It means here is the formula -1 raised to I plus j into mij. Mij, it means minor factor, and into -1 raised to I plus j. In the first video of the determinant, already I will show you that what is this meaning here. This is only showing that what is the sign of the element here. Okay, so also you have to observe here, this is a -1 raised to I plus, it means ith row and jth column you have to add the number and go and deciding that factor. Okay, so suppose I am going to take it here one example. Okay, so in this case, okay, now I'm going to find out in the 4 cofactors. So 4, it means what is the element here? Second row, first column, no? So I have to find out a 2 1, a to 1 cofactor I have to find out. So according to that formula, what is that? Minus 1 raised to 1. So what is the I value here? 2 is there, no? So 2 plus 1, m to 1. Means you have to find out the minor factor. Okay, so minor factor procedure is what? Ith row and jth column have to cancel. It means second row, first column you have to cancel. What is remaining here? Write out first a m to 1 is equals to, after cancelling second row and first column, it means the remaining result is 2 3 2 1. Correct? Okay, now you have to go and simplify this result. 2 1s are 2 minus 3 2s are 6. It means you get the answer minus 4. Correct? So this minus 4 you have to fill up in this formula. What is the formula you are getting here? A21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, it means 3 is the answer. M21 answer is what you get? Minor factor answer is minus 4. So minus 1 raised to 3, it means that result is minus 1 only. Correct? And here minus 4, then minus plus 4 is the answer. So this is the cofactor of A21 elements. Okay, actually we are using the formula. This is the first method to find out. First find out the minor factor and multiply it with that result. Or directly also you can find out the answers. Every time this is not necessary to applying the formula. Directly it means here only observe here. Okay, so directly how to find out? It means this is the result is what? A21 element you are going to find out. A21, it means first you add these two results. 2 plus 1 3. 3 is odd number or even number? Odd number only. Odd number, it means write the minus sign and write out here M21. M21 answer already you get, no? Answer is minus 4. So minus plus, it means plus 4 you have to write it here. Okay, so add these two results. You get the odd number, it means minus sign. Even number, it means plus sign. Okay, I am going to find out in this result here. This number, it means here what is the result? A33 is the element. Third row, third column. 3 plus 3 is what is the answer? 6. So 6 is the even number, it means plus sign. And what is the result? M33. M33 how to find out here? M33 minor after that element. These two are cancelled, it means the determinant 1 2 4 minus 1. Then you simplify. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 4 into 2 is 8. It means minus 9 is the cofactor of A33. Now it is clear? Okay, so it means you have to find out the minor factor. Cofactor, it means that is only deciding the sign only. So what are the signs? These results, it means already I'll show this result. First element is always plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So these are the signs. Okay, so using the signs and directly how to find out the cofactor. Minor factor you find out means easily you can find out the cofactor. Cofactor only deciding the sign. It is a plus sign or minus sign. So carefully observe and write down the answer. Similarly, go and find out all the elements of this elements. You have to find out the cofactors. Again, one more example I am going to solve it here. This number. This is the result is a A12 element. So what is the cofactor of A12? It means you write it here. A12, it means 1 plus 2, it means 3, it means minus sign. Okay, M12 you have to find out. Minor factor is what is the answer? First write it minus sign as it is a first row, second column it get cancelled. So what is remaining here? 4 3 0 1. Now simplify. 4 into minus sign, this minus sign, write it as it is a 4 into 1 is 4 and this is 0. It means what is the answer? Minus 4. This is the cofactor of A12. That is clear. So this is the procedure finding the cofactors. Okay, observe here example first one. Find the minor and the cofactor of the determinant. So you have to find it all the minor factor and cofactor of this determinant. What is the determinant is given here? 1 minus 2 4 3. Okay, so now you have to find out all the minor factor first. Minor factor, it means M11 M12 M11 M12 and next M21 and M22. These are the 4 elements are there. Okay, first you have to find out here. So M11 in 2 into 2 order, it means ith row and jth column. These two are cancelled, it means what is the answer? 3 is the answer. And next M12 answer is what? These two are cancelled, 4 is the answer. And M21 it means this is the minus 2. M22 it means 1 is the answer. Correct? 22 it means that result second row second column cancel. 21 it means second row, first column cancel. This is 1 2, it means first row, second column cancel. This is first row, first column cancel. The remaining elements only have to write it here. And this results only have to find out the cofactors. It means A11, A12, A21, A22. So first only directly write on the all the signs. Cofactor means first deciding the sign and multiplied with that minor factor results. So what is the result? Sign, observe here. 1 plus 1, it means 2. 2 is even number or odd number? Even number. Plus sign. This is 3, it means odd number. Minus sign. Again 3, minus sign. Plus 4 is the answer, it means even number plus sign. Then you have to write it here as it is. What are the result? M11 result, minor factor have to multiply. 3, so write it here 3. And this is 4, write it 4. And here minus 2, write it minus 2. And this is 1. So you may also write it here plus 3, minus 4, minus minus plus 2, and this is plus 1. So these are the cofactor elements. Now it is clear? Okay, observe here one important note. Sum of the product of the element of any row or any column with their corresponding cofactors is equals to the delta. Delta value is equal. It means delta is equals to sum of the product of the elements of any row. It means suppose I am going to take it first row, it means A11, and with corresponding cofactor is what? A11 plus sum is there already. Again next A12, again here also A12, then A13, A13. This result is equals to delta, they are saying here. This is the note. What is the result? Sum of the product of the any row of any column. Row also you can take it or column also you can take with their corresponding cofactors is equal to the delta. Okay. So let us prove this result. Okay. Observe it here. Okay. I am going to take it here one result. See, observe it this. Okay. This result already in first video I will show you this expansion. Okay. Generally I am going to take it here. Delta is equals to A11, A12, A13. Then you may also take it here expansion along with R1. Then you get this is the result by using the original formula. Without directly applying sign, they have to apply here minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, then determinant. Again, then this is the, okay. So in this case, observe it here. First result, I am going to write it here. A11 element as it is. So what is the remaining elements you have to observe? In the given determinant, I am going to find out the A11 cofactor. What is the result? According to that formula, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 and then M11. Okay. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. M11 it means the first row, first column cancel. What is the remaining determinant you observe? A22, A23, then A32, A33. This is the result. Okay, now you have to observe this result already is remaining here in the first step. So A11 you write it element as it is. Remaining result is that result you can denote here A11 cofactor. Okay, that remaining result I am going to write it here A11. Then next plus. Next result I am going to write it here A12. Then remaining result again you have to write down that is the formula for A12 result. Next similarly next also you go and find out A13 and this is the cofactor result of the A13. It means this result is also equals to the determinant. Okay. So determinant it means sum of the product of the any row or any column with their corresponding cofactor is equals to the determinant delta. Okay, delta value is equal to that result. Suppose these two are different, it means suppose that row is different and corresponding that cofactor is different and elements are also different, it means then what is the result? Answer, it means suppose by chance you are taking here A11, these two are different. Here when these two are same, then that sum is equals to delta. Suppose these two are different, the element is different and cofactor is different. Here in each cases it means this value is always equals to the 0 is the answer. This value is always equals to 0 is the answer. When these two results are different, it means that answer is 0 and these are same, it means you can take out the delta is the answer. This is very important point for your CET exam also. Okay. So let us continue the next. Okay. Find the minor factor and cofactor of the determinant is given here. You have to find out minor factor and cofactor and also verify this. Okay, this result they are given here, verifying here equals to 0. Okay, find the minor factor and cofactor and find out all the minor factor M11, M12, M13. up to AM33. After that you find out the cofactor A11, A12, A13 up to A33. So that is for your work. So I am going to prove this result. Observe here, verify that this result is equals to 0. Okay. So observe here, why this result is 0, it means in this case observe element and cofactor element, these two are different, no? So element A11 is there and cofactor is A31. It means this is again different row and this is also different row is there. It means these two are different. It means always that result is 0 only. Okay, let us check out the find outing the A11. It means element is A31. It means you have to find out the A31 cofactor. So check out after adding this all the result, you get the answer 0. It means you are verifying this result. Okay, so first you write on what are the A11 element 2 and A12 element -3. A13 element 5. So these are the elements. A small letter A, it means that is the element. Now you have to find out the cofactor A31. A31 it means this is the cofactor result. So cofactor it means A3 plus 1 is what? 4. 4 it means this is the result is what? Odd number or even number? Even number. Even number it means sign is plus. M31 you have to find out. M31 it means minor factor of M31. Okay, so minor factor of M31 it means third row first column get cancelled. Third row first column get cancelled. It means 1 is the answer. So for third row first column you have to cancel. It means what is the remaining here? -3, 5, 0, 4. Okay, next you have to find out this value. -3 into 4 -12 minus 0 into 5 means 0 is the answer. It means what you get the finally -12 is the answer. Next A32. A32 you have to find out. A32 it means what is the result? 3 plus 2 it means what is the sign? A minus sign because it is a odd number. Minus sign M32 you have to find out. M32 it means what is the result you write on here? M32 third row second column get cancelled. The remaining result is 2, 5, 6, 4. Correct? So now go and simplify this. Okay, 2 into 4 it means what is the answer? 8. This minus sign you don't forget here. So here minus sign first you write down, in bracket only how to write down. 2 into 4 what is the answer? 8 minus 6 into 5 it means 30. So this result is -22. So -22 and minus, so minus minus a plus, so plus 22 you get the answer. Okay, so this is the result is A32. Okay, A33 it means 3 plus 3 is a 6. It means even number plus sign M33 how to find out. M33 it means third row third column you have to get cancelled. It means the remaining determinant is 2 minus 3, 6, 0. Now you have to go and calculate this result. 2 into 0 is 0. Next sign is minus, 6 into 3 is minus 18. So it means minus minus plus, this is the plus 18 is the answer. Okay, so what is the LHS part here? A11 capital letter A31 plus A12 A32 plus A13 A33. Okay, so the A11 element is what is the answer? 2 and the A31 element you get the answer A31 minus 12 plus A12 element is what you get the result already there minus 3. A32 answer you get plus 22 plus A13 element you get the answer is 5 and this is a plus 18. Okay, now you go and simplify. 12 into 2 it means minus 24 and this result. So minus 3 and 22 it means minus 66 and here plus 5 into 18 it means 90 is the answer. 66 and minus 24 minus minus plus 66 and 24 it means you get the minus 90 and plus 90 it means what is the answer? 0 is the answer. In your exercise 4.4 write the minor factor and cofactor of the following determinants. Question number 1 and 2 you take it as a homework. So you have to solve this all the minor factor of all the elements and cofactor of the all the elements. Third question I am going to solve it here. What is observed here? Using the cofactor of the element of the second row, evaluate the delta is equals to. Okay, so what is the delta is equals to they are given here? Five, 2, 1, 3, 0, 2, 8, 1, 3. Okay, here what is the question? Evaluate the delta value. I think already know that how to find out 3 into 3 it means take expansion along with the first row second row you are taking and find outing, but in this case you have to follow the using the cofactor values, that is also second row cofactor you have to find out. So second row cofactor you have to find out. It means what is the formula? Second row it means you have to observe, I think already know that sum of the product of the any row or any column with the corresponding cofactor is equals to delta answer. So second row, it means what is generally result? A21 A21 plus A22 cofactor of A22, A23 cofactor of A23. This result is equals to delta only, correct? Okay, so find outing this first. A element are already there here. What are the elements? First to write down. A22 is 2, A21 is 2, A22 is 0, A23 is 1, correct? Okay, now you have to find out the A21. A21 you have to find out, it means you first write on the formula 2 plus 1, it means what is the answer? 3. 3 it means it is even number or odd number? Odd number, so write it a minus sign. Then you have to write the minor factor of M21, minus sign M21, it means second row first column get cancelled. What is remaining here? 3, 8, 2, 3, correct? So now go and simplify this values. What is the answer? 3 into 3 it means 9. This minus sign don't forget here, write it as it is. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 8 into 2 is 16. Then minus here you get the minus 7 is the answer. So minus 7 minus plus 7 is the answer. Okay. So next step, A22 you have to find out. A22 2 plus 2 is 4. It is even number, plus sign M22. M22 middle column get cancelled, means what is the result? 5, 8, 1, 3. Now you go and simplify. 5 into 3 it means 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 it means you get the answer 7. Okay, 7 is the answer. Next and last one, A23. A23 elements you have to find out. First 23 means again it is a odd number. Odd number it means minus sign M23. Minor factor you have to find out. Second row third column you get cancelled. So remaining result is 5, 3, 1, 2. So go and simplify. 5 into 2 it means what is the answer? 10. And this minus sign you don't forget it here. Write it as it is. Minus into bracket 5 into 2 is 10. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. So 10 minus 3 it means what is the answer? Again you get the 7 only, and here minus sign is this, so it means you get the answer is minus 7. So these are the answers. So now you have to go and fill up in the main formula. So delta is equals to, so what is the result? Write it here, A21 plus A22 plus A23 A23. Okay, A21 element is what? 2. Write it 2. A cofactor answer, what you get here? 7. Write it 7 plus A22 element is what? 0 is there, and this result is 7 plus A23 element is 1 and A2 cofactor answer is minus 7. Then you go and simplify. 7 into 2 it means 14 plus 7 into 0 is 0 only. Again minus 7 into 1 it means minus 7. 14 minus 7 it means you get the answer is 7 is the answer. Okay, so you may go and find out the expansion along with R1 row, you have to take it, find out the determinant value, you get the answer is 7 only.